Welcome to Voice Bootcamp, a global name in unified communication. In this particular chapter of the lecture on DVD, we'll focus on Unified Presence 8.5. Here we'll give you an overview of Unified Presence and the integration steps required to integrate Presence with Call Manager. Presence is an application that collects information about the user's availability and communication capability. A user's availability to see if the user is available to receive the call, or if he or she is busy or not registered at all. Communication capability, for example, how users wants to be reached via email, via phone, cell phone, or any other method. Presence facilitate communication between Call Manager and various critical business application. It takes the advantage of SIP protocols, and it is tightly integrated with desktop clients such as Microsoft Exchange and Outlook. By integrating with Exchange and Outlook, Presence has the capability to log into the Exchange and analyze the user's calendaring system and see when this user will have a meeting. If this user has a meeting on particular time frame, let's say Monday 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., well, what the Presence will do, it will mark that user a busy to the other client. So if somebody is trying to reach, let's say John, during those time, well, Presence will mark the availability of John as a busy. Reception, for example, can use Presence to see if the employees are available to receive calls. When a call arrives, a typical reception could receive hundreds of calls a day. If hundreds of calls comes in, and reception has to find out if John or Smith or Kelly is available, well, the only way he or she can find out is by dialing that extension, which will take roughly around 12 seconds for somebody to either answer, or, well, not necessarily 12 seconds, but anywhere between 4 seconds to 12 seconds to answer the call or have the call forwarded to voicemail. So if the call goes to voicemail, you're looking at an average of 12 seconds of delay before you actually send the calls to voicemail. Now, reception find out the call is going to voicemail, so she hang up the call or he hang up the call, come back to the customer saying, well, John is not available, would you like his voicemail? Well, at that point, customer might say, you know what, okay, fine, I'll take his voicemail. What's going to happen is now receptionist has to re-forward the call back to the voicemail, which is another maybe 2-3 seconds, 4-5 seconds. So what basically is happening here is that a receptionist on average could be wasting 10 to 15 seconds per day chasing those users who are either busy or not away from their desk or may not be registered. Presence will help the reception in this type of situation, will help provide a solution that will make sure that reception is